This was our first tour somewhere in Australia post-COVID. So we were very excited to go somewhere and start traveling again. So we decided to go on a short cruise from Sydney. That was a 4 days, 3-night cruise between Sydney and the town of Eden and return while spending a couple of nights at sea. Obviously, as we know that since the beginning of COVID pandemic, there are so many stories and stigma associated with cruising in Australia and abroad. So we're a bit nervous. But we decided to go on this short cruise because this is our first cruising in Australia. Soon we started our journey from Hobart to Sydney. It's an amazing 90-minute flight from Hobart to Sydney. If the weather is clear and sunny, if you can sit on the left-hand side of the aircraft, you will be able to see some amazing landmarks in Australia. Flying over Flinders Island was beautiful. Flinders Island is actually a part of Tasmania. The white clouds on the Flinders Island were spectacular. After 50 minutes of flying, we started crossing into Victoria. We were flying over the amazing 90-mile long beach before crossing into New South Wales. Another half an hour time, we started to see the spectacular rock cliffs of New South Wales while we were approaching the Sydney airport. There are a number of beautiful beaches and cliff walks that you can do in New South Wales along this coastline. Coming to Sydney is an amazing experience. We have done this so many times, yet each time it has been special. This time it was even more attractive as we couldn't visit Sydney for the last 3 years. So we took this opportunity to stay one night in Sydney, look around the beautiful places that we love before starting the cruise next morning. Sydney light rails. Last time when we visited Sydney, these light rails were under construction, but now they are fully functional in the CBD. They're really good addition to the already existing and extraordinary public transport in Sydney. This was our lunchtime and we're very hungry, so Mamak was our first destination. Mamak is one of the best Malaysian restaurants in Sydney and this is our favorite place to eat in Sydney. Eating at Mamak and trying famous Malaysian Roti Canai is one of our favorite things. And this was even more attractive when you can actually watch the making of Roti Canai before trying. Look at this making process and the demonstration. It's live and it's just beautiful. We're so happy to be able to capture the whole process of making this roti in front of our eyes and for this travel video. Especially as you can imagine how skillful you got to be able to make this type of roti so efficiently. After having lunch at Mamak, we had a stroll through the Chinatown and had some hot pups before visiting some of the shops that we used to visit very regularly. After a while, we went to the Bondi Beach, the famous Bondi Beach of Sydney. Bondi Beach is one of our favorite places in Sydney. Beautiful Bondi Beach. It's pretty and it's pristine. Proximity to the Sydney CBD makes the Bondi Beach even more accessible and popular. That afternoon there were waves, big waves one after another, making the condition perfect for the surfers. Surfers were very active on the Bondi Beach that afternoon, putting a spectacular show. Look at this guy, he must be a professional. We spent a fair bit of time at Bondi Beach that afternoon, watching the surfers one after another, the beautiful waves passing by one after another. Although it was a bit chilly and windy afternoon, but we had an amazing and relaxing time walking on Bondi Beach after such a long time. It was fairly quiet afternoon. It was not busy at all at the beach. The practicing hula hoop ladies along with the surfers were making a show of the day. Now I think this guy requires more practice. Bondi suburb along the Bondi Beach is one of the most expensive suburbs in Australia. From Bondi Beach we went to the Circular Quays. Circular Quay is obviously one of our favorite places like many others. Being the main ferry terminal of Sydney, on one side Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Sydney Opera House on the other, it's one of the most attractive places to visit in Sydney. Just a short walk from the Circular Quays is the Rock. The Rock is a photographer's paradise in Sydney. This is one of the places in Sydney where any photography or any videography taken by anybody is a spectacular thing to watch. We're so happy being back at the Circular Quays, watching at the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Sydney Opera House, all those ferries coming and going out of the ferry terminal. We were truly mesmerized after such a long time, so we waited until evening to watch the spectacular show on the Sydney Opera House, celebrating the 50 years of the Sydney Opera House. Next morning was very bright and sunny and beautiful day. We were very excited and also equally nervous about the cruising. Before the midday boarding time, we had few hours in our hand to look around Sydney CBD and do some photography as we normally do in the city. Architecturally, Sydney Town Hall and the Queen Victoria building is spectacular. Bright sunlight on one side and the shadow on the other side was making it picture perfect. We had a quick glimpse to the Sydney Eye Tower before going into the Queen Victoria building. Queen Victoria Building, or the QVB, is a shopping mall in the CBD. This is also one of our favorite places in Sydney to visit, so we couldn't have a miss. Cakes and breads and the other bakery products from this Royal Bakery are always delicious, but the most amazing thing is the tile flooring and the interior design. The interiors of the QVB is so spectacular, it's so pretty. When we booked this cruise and wanted to stay one night for Sydney Day Out, we couldn't think of not including QVB interiors in our video. On our way to our hotel to collect our luggage before going to the cruise terminal, we had a moment in the gorgeous State Theatre of Sydney. It was very golden and ornamented, just beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the short video on our day out in Sydney. Please continue to watch our travel videos as we go on board P&O Cruises Pacific Explorer for our 4-day cruising. Thank you for subscribing and watching our travel videos.